Hello, everyone. This is Wellness Coach Charlotte back for another episode of One Word Wellness. Now, February is a month that one of the things that we celebrate or like to bring awareness to is heart health. So, when we talk about our one word today, it is heart. Think about matters of the heart. So many times, because one of my expertise and one of the things I deal with is emotional health, I think about feelings that make us happy, sad, feel indifferent, feel disappointed. And sometimes our heart is broken, and other times our heart is like excited and feeling really good, right? But we also want to be aware of our physical heart that pumps the blood for us, boom, 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 and pushes the blood through our body. So when we think about heart health, unfortunately, heart disease is the number one killer. So we're doing all we can to prevent premature death in any area, hearts and strokes and heart attacks and things of that nature. One of the things that help, I'm going to give you something that helps with thinking about heart health in terms of what you can do naturally in reference to, we know exercise is always good for the heart in most cases, for most people, but we also want to look at polyphenols. Now, polyphenols are many of our common fruits and vegetables and foods that we eat. What polyphenols are is they are plant-based structure that are in a variety of our fruits and our berries. And also when you think about heart health, the blood, right? It helps with our blood. So our blood is red. Many of your colorful, dark purple, dark red fruits and vegetables and foods are going to be really good for your heart health. As well as artichokes. Although they are green, if you look at the shape of a artichoke, it resembles sort of the shape of your heart. So artichokes are really, really good for your heart. Nuts and seeds, and of course berries. But also in terms of studying natural herbs that you can use, I love to keep in mind some of our red fruits. And what I actually have here I have a pomegranate. So this is red. I also have today here some pomegranate seeds that I kind of put together. Really good for the heart, lots of polyphenols. And I also made some hibiscus tea. Hibiscus is red, so the hibiscus is really, really good for heart health. You can boil them. You can get the bags already made. You can take the pieces of hibiscus, you can put them in tea bags yourself and steep them, typically to help with the blood flow that is going through your heart. It helps with inflammation, digestion, and even brain function. So polyphenols are good for all of those types of things. So you can get those in that. What I made me was some tea, some hot tea, and steeped it, and I strained it, and then I just put it in a little bottle so that I can drink, right, with a little straw, and I can drink it, put it in the refrigerator, and I can sip on it. Again, you only need typically to promote heart health 1 to 2 cups per day, 8-ounce cups, nothing too crazy. And take care of your heart health. Look for foods that have polyphenols. And remember, it's typically a lot of your red fruits and vegetables and dark purple that are going to be really, really good for your heart. It also, if you think about the brain function, right? Brain function, we need healthy brain function because that is what's going to help us to be fully aware that we need to take care of our physical heart. So that is our one word wellness today, heart. Be well, guys.